Hey guys, Kevin with American Door Supply here, and I think we're all ready. We're just about ready to pack up our booth and head for Las Vegas for the 2024 IDA show. That's the International Garage Door Expo. Now, for those of you who haven't seen us at the IDA show in the past, I want to run you through our booth real quick, show you some of the highlights, and we're hoping you'll get to see us live and booth number 1352. So don't forget to jot that down. Of course, we're displaying our specialty door systems, which includes insulated wash bay doors, polycarbonate doors, our mighty Goliath doors, and also our UltraClear high-performance glass doors. Now, we've been building stainless steel and other specialty hardware for about 3.5 decades, and it's really one of the great things that we have complemented the industry with. Of course, you can equip your favorite door, and we can talk about a few of those things when we see you at the show. Of course, we have fully operating doors at the show, and we're also featuring our air-powered operators and a brand new operator called the Smartjack, which is a VFD operator that we've improved upon. Again, if you're going to the IDA show next week in Las Vegas, we'd love to see you there. Don't forget booth 1352. We've got a lot of great things to show you, some new faces, and a brand new catalog. See you there.